I am so confused.
What is up, everybody? It is me, Buster Boy on Motos and Mullets. We're here talking about the Biltwell Lane Splitter today, and I'm gonna give you guys my review on it. I don't like this wobbly chair at all. Okay.
What is up, guys? Like Buster said, we're here talking about the Lane Splitter today. Before we get started, I want to say sorry for the lack of videos lately. This time of year is really busy with work and it's winter in West Virginia, so I haven't really been able to ride. Was going to do a wheelie video for you guys, but the 6 Savage wouldn't start. Got the battery charging now, that's all it was. Battery was dead. So yeah, gonna talk about the Lane Splitter today, and we're gonna install a new visor and some new cheek pads. So, let's get this thing going. To start off, this really is like my first full face helmet that I used for a long time and put a lot of miles on. Before this, I just had a half helmet, and then I wore a full face helmet a long time ago. I don't even remember what brand it was, but so this is just how I feel about the Lane Splitter and stuff like that. So comfort, it's pretty comfy. I mean, I think it's comfy. Has these vents on the front that you can't close. No vents on top like most helmets have, but it does have the Venturi vent. So you can't close these, but where I live and the climate I'm in, I think there's enough airflow with just those. My head doesn't really get hot, but I'm not in a super hot climate like Florida, and I don't really drive in traffic and have to sit at red lights and stuff like that. So for ventilation and kind of like a mild climate, I mean, it does get up to like 95 to 100 here in the summer sometimes, but I think, yeah, plenty of airflow with that. Doesn't have a quick release strap, but you know, I've been using this type of strap for so long, I'm just used to it. It doesn't bother me. You can get these different colored visors. Like I said, we're going to put a new one on. These aren't quick release or anything like that, but they have these screws on here. You can use a quarter to loosen them. So let's say you have saddlebags and you keep a clear visor in your saddlebag, you can unscrew these with a quarter and you don't have to carry a screwdriver around. But today, we're going to use a screwdriver. Let's start getting this thing apart. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't really get too hot in this thing, even on hot summer days. But if I do have to sit at a red light, it's only a couple red lights and it's not for very long. We usually are on back roads, enjoying the nice curvy West Virginia roads. Wind buffeting, I don't really get any. I have the Road Warrior fairing with a taller windshield on it now, so when I like push my hand up while I'm riding, I can feel the wind just skimming the top of my helmet. So now, like I was saying, it has these vents on the front that you can't close, and if you do get stuck in heavy rain, water does start coming through here, you know, pretty decently. Like, it will get your face more than a little moist. So let's go ahead and pop this puppy off. Now would be a good time to clean the inside of your helmet if you need to. You can reuse this hardware that you had on your original shield, but I think they give you new I don't really know what they call them, not hardware, but little bracket things for the helmet. I'm just going to use these same ones that were on here with the original shield and just keep those as spares. So you just got a liner up there. Make sure you got it all lined up. And then stick your screws back in there. You can use Loctite on here. You know, I'm just going to send it. Screw this puppy back in there. So I won't be able to ride with this new visor on for a while, obviously, but I pretty much just got it. I bought it on Black Friday when they were having a deal and just bought it just to change up the color of the helmet. I've had that rainbow visor on there since I bought the helmet, so looks cool. But we'll see how this chrome mirror looks. I'll get this on here and I'll take the sticker off. Give you guys a little preview. Ho ho ho! Meow! Look at that puppy. She's shining. I think for the money they spend on the Lane Splitter, it's a pretty good helmet. Obviously there is cheaper ones, and there's a lot more expensive ones. So, you know, it just depends on what you want to spend. Let me see. I haven't changed these up before, so I'm kind of figuring it out as I go here. Yeah, I think the Lane Splitter, I'll put it up here in the video. I think they're about $250. If you can find them on closeout, like I know sometimes Revzilla will have certain numbers on closeout. You can get them cheaper, I think around like $200, but $250 for all the normal colors, normal price, stuff like that. The visors are only $50, which I think is pretty good. Kaylin's visor for her helmet was $75, I think. Nope, I got something going on wrong. I'm never even doing this on any helmet. Let's see here. I am so confused. Okay, I see everyone. I got it now. We're getting her. You know, this is the type of videos I enjoy when I'm watching YouTube, where the guy just, you know, gets in there and does it. He's not worried about, you know, doing it wrong and having people comment on him. Just being real. It takes a second when you're doing this for your first time, getting used to how these things work. So there we go, we got her now. Other side, we're about to fly through this thing now. Like I was saying, I think for the money it's a good helmet. Looks sick. It'll protect your noggin. So I originally bought this helmet just for cold weather and rain and stuff like that, and then after I wore it a couple times, I just started wearing it all the time. It's just my full-time helmet now. If you're one of those guys that says, you know, like, oh, I'm never gonna wear a full face helmet, they're stupid, they're for old people, I would say give it a try before you knock it. They're not for everyone, but I definitely, you know, changed my mindset on full face helmets after I started wearing one. I just think it's much nicer to ride in. They protect your head a lot more. If you crash, your whole face is protected. And I actually like, you know, like when you're wearing a full face while you're riding, it's, you know, it's like you're in your own little bubble. You know, you're not getting hit in the face with bugs and dirt and sand from cars in front of you or anything like that. Here we go. Okay, now let the mullet fly. Let's try it on and see if I can notice a difference. You know, they kind of, yeah, these will definitely break in. I can tell by how flat and, you know, floppy these are. Right now it still is a little tight on my cheeks, but I think once these new cheek pads get broken in, I think it will be perfect. So, bottom line, I think the Biltwell Lane Splitter is a good helmet for the money. Looks sick, does its job. If you're in a really hot climate, I would say maybe get something else with more ventilation. If you're in a mild climate, not really in traffic, got plenty of ventilation coming in through here. These are pretty big vents. And if you ever need to, you can crack her open. So, let me know what you guys think. Are you a full face helmet guy, half helmet? Have you tried the Lane Splitter? I know it's kind of like the knockoff Bandit by Simpson, but I think they're doing a good job. Cheaper price point, nice helmet. There it is. Got some exciting things coming on the channel. As you can see, got a full garage. All three of our bikes. Got my dad's bike in the corner. We're about to put them all away for winter. Hopefully my dad will get some stuff this winter. We can do some install videos on that. But my big thing for the Low Rider should be here soon. One of Caitlin's things, she doesn't even know what it is yet. It's my Christmas gift to her, so I have to wait till after Christmas for that one. But like, comment, subscribe. I know, not an exciting video. Bear with me through winter. Do some install videos. Then during spring, gonna let her eat, send it in deep, let the bald eagles fly, and just rip it.